Argentinian cuisine: asado, barbecue, empanadas, meat pie, Milanesa, deep-fried meat, dulce de leche, yogurt candy. Argentina is a country known for its rich and diverse culinary traditions, influenced by its history and geography. From the famous grilled meats to the sweet and creamy desserts, Argentine asado is perhaps the most well-known Argentine dish, and for good reason. This traditional barbecue-style meal features a variety of grilled meats, cooked over an open flame or hot coals for. Empanadas are another popular Argentine dish, often served as a snack or appetizer. These small, savory pastries are filled with a variety of ingredients, such as ground beef, onions, potato. Milanesa is a breaded and fried cutlet of meat, usually made with beef or chicken. The meat is pounded thin, coated in breadcrumbs, and fried until crispy and golden brown. Milanesa is a sim. Finally, no discussion of Argentine cuisine would be complete without mentioning dulce de leche. This sweet, caramel-like sauce is made from condensed milk and sugar, and is a staple in Argentina. In addition to these iconic dishes, Argentine cuisine also features a variety of other delicious and unique foods. One such example is the choripán, a popular street food consisting of a curry. Argentina also has a thriving wine industry, with many vineyards producing high-quality wines. Malbec, a red wine that originated in France but is now primarily grown in Argentina, is partage. Asado, empanadas, Milanesa, and dulce de leche are just a few examples of the rich and diverse culinary traditions of Argentina. These iconic dishes, along with many others, have made Argent. In recent years, Argentine cuisine has gained popularity around the world, with Argentine restaurants and food trucks popping up in cities across the globe. This increased exposure has helped Another popular Argentine dish is the provolita, a grilled provolone cheese that is often served as an appetizer or side dish. The cheese is seasoned with oregano and chili flakes and grill. In addition to these savory dishes, Argentina also has a wide variety of sweet treats. Alfajores, for example, are a popular cookie made with two shortbread cookies sandwiched together with. Another popular sweet treat is the churro, a fried pastry that is often served with dulce de leche for dipping. Churros can be found at street vendors and cafes all over Argentina and RA. It's worth noting that Argentine cuisine has also been influenced by immigration from other countries, such as Italy and Spain. This has led to the incorporation of new ingredients and flavor. Another popular dish in Argentina is the matambre, a stuffed and rolled flank steak that is often grilled or roasted. The stuffing can vary but typically includes vegetables, eggs, and spice. In recent years, there has also been a growing interest in vegetarian and vegan cuisine in Argentina. Many restaurants and cafes now offer plant-based options, such as veggie empanadas and L. In addition to its delicious food, Argentine cuisine is also known for its lively dining culture. Eating is often a social and communal activity in Argentina, with meals lasting for hours and cafes are particularly popular in Argentina, with many locals enjoying a coffee or mate, a traditional herbal tea, with friends or while people watching. Argentine cafes often offer a variety. Finally, it's worth mentioning that Argentine cuisine is also influenced by the country's geography. Argentina is a vast country with a diverse range of landscapes, from the Andes Mountains. For example, in Patagonia, a region in southern Argentina, lamb is a popular meat due to the abundance of grazing land. In Mendoza, a wine region in western Argentina, grilled meats are often